Guys, this is Ben from WordPressBin.com. I'm going to show you how to use WebHarvy, a professional scripting tool to collect, grab, scratch, scrape company info, basic info such as websites and other info from Bizearch.com. First, we go to Bizearch, this website, Bizearch.com, and then click companies. You will find so many business categories, right? Agriculture, chemicals, electronic components, supplies, so many business categories, and then you can check and find whether there will be your targeted customers business type category, and then click it. For example, I'll choose automobile. We will find so many company name and also the business type, which country, industry focus, right? Scroll down to the bottom and you will find so many companies, 36,617 companies. Okay, let's go. First, click start and then click company name. We capture text and name it as company name. And you will see so many company name, right? Very easy. And then scroll down to the bottom and set next. Set as a next page link. This is the reason why WebHarvy is a professional scraping tool, right? There is a single button, you just click it and you finish pagination. Amazing. And then we click the first company name again and click follow this link. And we scroll down to the website. Of course, you can collect other info such as company name, contact person, company address, postcode, telephone number, mobile number, fax number, website. I just need website. Okay, if you need other info, you also can click them, scrape them, grab them, scratch them. Okay, I'll click this, and then I choose this. This is the website. Capture text. Very easy. Okay. And then I stop, which means you finish the configuration and start mine. Mine how many pages? How many pages you want to mine? Here, 2, 3, 4, alright? Or say 30,000, okay? Or you can just click mine all pages. Alright, so here the number cannot be changed. If you choose this one, which means you mine all pages. Minus settings. If your website signal is not good enough, okay, you can choose this page load time out to larger number, okay, and also advanced minor options. And then we click start. Let's check. Quick speed, very professional. Company name, amazing. Company websites, cool. Very cool, very professional. High efficiency, right? You just hold on and there will be thousands of websites of your targeted customers will be collected. You will have unlimited targeted customers websites. You can scrape emails from websites with email extractor, top extractor, right? And also you can use GSA contact, website contact to submit your code mail to your targeted customers website contact form. Every page there will be about 30 companies, and here we'll go to the next page. Okay, you can see here mining page 2, right? The speed is very quick. You just hold on. 4 hours, 5 hours, tomorrow you'll finish, and you will get thousands of potential your targeted customers' websites. Cool, very cool. WebHarvy Cracked version, buy it from WordPressBin.com, which will help you save a lot of money. If you don't know how to use WebHarvy, you can ask me. But the point is, you need to buy this tool from WordPressBin.com. Then I can give you professional advice about how to use this tool. If you buy it from other places, I cannot give you advice and suggestions. Alright, you got my meaning, right? Thanks for your time and thanks for your watching. See you next time.